the slang dictionary. The slang dictionary. So you know, we have some Shona slang that would like to let you know what they are, what do they mean, like their meanings, and also how to pronounce them. So without wasting much of your time, I will start with kungwava ngwava. You know, kungwava ngwava is now a popular term, but it's not really Shona, it's just a slang word. So kungwava ngwava, in English is it means hustling. I'm a hustler, ndongwava. You understand, man? I'm proud of you. Okay, so our next word will be jeti. Jeti. So a jet is more like a deal, but there is a difference between a deal and a jet. Because a deal can also be named diri. You know, diri. That's a deal. So when we now call it a jet, you know, there is a stealing element in it, something which is illegal in it. That's a jet. But sometimes the jet can also be pure. So you can use